dito. So next. So watch a video presentation now featuring the life of Dr. Albert Einstein, followed by the museum rows. Take pictures beside Dr. Einstein. But
I'm Dr. Albert Einstein, and this is my story.
Albert Einstein was born in Germany on the 14th of March, 1879. From a young age, he possessed a curious and inquisitive spirit. Starting to speak late made him stand out, while his passion for solving the mysteries of the universe made him unique. Although he faced some difficulties in his educational life, Einstein did not.
Sige, talk. You need to talk. You need to talk. Sige. Sige, talk. So we can hear it.
Bro, speech is created by
Don't blow with it. You talk nga.
Sound.
Sprunky.
What?
You are fun bot. Next.
You can see around. You can see around. Bali, cinema ba ito?
Here. In front of the... Sige.
Earth, our home planet, a tiny blue dot floating in the immense cosmic ocean. Here resides everyone you ever knew, every human who ever lived, every story that was ever told. It's where our journey begins, a quest to grasp the true scale of our universe. As we leave Earth's embrace, the first
Sige. Hindi niya kata abot pareho. Use your right hand.
Lion.
Is it nice?
Ay, bakit may flash? Sorry, ako pala eh.
So kung gusto niyo naman kung makawak ng tunay na electricity, we have the next one.
It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. Yan yung si kuya yung hinawakan niya. I think that's one more. Wanna try more? Sige, so you can show it to Teteng and Tayo. Sige ba? Cool. Now you have... Sige, keep on doing it. You can keep on trying it. Is it loud? Oh, look at mommy. Find the starting point. So put it downward like that, yeah.
See if you can find a path to success without the ball falling off the edge.
It's like a game.
Ay!
is your most favorite apparatus?
Yung 510. Connect the device or power supply. Place a conductive sheet on a paper and probe the fine. You need paper dyan. Ito. Probe.
Look at the surrounding. The light is refracting. Kaleidoscope. Sige, twist it.
Yung ano, fish?
Yes. Twist the front. Ayan pala. Kasi baliktad eh. Ay, hindi. Ah. Yan.
Wow!
Congratulations on reaching the grand finale, Explorers. Welcome to the Kaleidoscope Laboratory. In this laboratory, vibrant colors and
Anong nangyayari?
Liquid siya, but if you put pressure on it or like a strong force against it, nag-act siya as solid. So non-Newtonian fluid siya. Go. Smile. Bakit slow? Slow lang. There's a lot of balls in here. yung sound. Louder yung sound.
Ha?
Louder sound.
How do we get out of this boat?
You jump.
We will be perished.
Yan na. Get it. Ano gagawin? Hey, don't put your face here.
Ow!
Sige. Stand up lang. Huwag kang mag-crouch. Stand up. Don't crouch. Yes.
Funky. Simon, there is no Simon.
Again, you found another Simon?
Wait, you know Simon?
You remember the one that we played a long time ago with your friend Simon?